Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to remove text from a photo in Canva. So let's load the picture. After that, select it. Please note that you need a Pro account to do this. After you select the image, click Edit. So our target is to remove this text, which is study. So here, after you select the Edit, you'll be able to see Magic Studio and scroll. Select the Magic Grab. After that, select the brush. Okay, let's increase the size of the brush and select the text here, just like the way I'm doing. After that, click grab. Okay, we have to wait a little bit now for the Canva AI to work. Okay, I think it did already. Let's try to move this. See, they have removed the text and placed it with placeholder, or like generated this. You can just change the size, or you can just delete it. So this is how you remove text from a photo in Canva. Make sure that you have a pro account. Thanks a lot.